Welcome back to ARCL 0160. This is Mark Altwheel. Today we'll be looking at advanced machine learning methods, specifically deep learning applications. Deep learning has become an increasingly popular form of learning methods, machine learning methods, applied to a variety of fields. This generally means that the application of neural networks, types of frameworks, to different kinds of problem sets, particularly things dealing with imagery, texts, videos, those kinds of things. The point of deep learning, unlike normal machine learning, is that it uses different layers that are created as part of neural networks, which allow different filters essentially for the data to pass through, so that the information can be trained or used for training and then applied to some kind of application which allows a prediction to be made. So, for instance, if you have an image, you're trying to classify that image in some way, you can apply a neural network model to effectively classify the image, and then apply it to the unknown data sets or unstudied data sets, which allows you to, say, classify types of sites, archaeological or archaeological features, those kinds of things. So this is the kind of model that is becoming increasingly popular to allow data scientists, researchers to apply to a variety of different kind of imagery or text-based kinds of problems. The advantage of deep learning is also that it can use relatively a limited or smaller number amount of data relative to some more simpler applications, in that it may need not as much data to produce fairly sophisticated results, accurate results. So we often see deep learning applied to semi-supervised techniques or semi-supervised applications, which effectively try to understand different kinds of problem sets that we have some limited knowledge about. Ideally, however, you want to apply lots of data to deep learning problems. People apply deep learning to, say, problems that deal with, say, trying to classify features that may be difficult to match. So it may require a lot of training data to effectively find similar matches in data that you're trying to study. So we'll present some examples today of data where we're trying to use a deep learning method using neural network approaches to basically better understand a given research problem.